So we're getting ready to go fly the F1 track. It is 4 o'clock in the morning and we're gonna go out and check it out, try to get some really nice shots of it. The F1's hopefully gonna bring a lot of business to Las Vegas. We'll see what it does. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like the content of this channel, do me a favor, hit the like and subscribe. It's free. Welcome to the thrilling world of Formula One, where speed, precision, and innovation converge on a global stage. Today we bring you an exciting development as the heart-pounding excitement of Formula One finally makes its way to the entertainment capital of the world, Las Vegas. If you're new to the channel, do us a favor and give this video a thumbs up. Also hit the subscribe button down there. It's free and it helps us generate more content for viewers like you who appreciate this kind of stuff. The 2023 Formula One season sees drivers tackle an all-new circuit in Las Vegas, encompassing the very best the city lights have to offer, including the famous Strip. Las Vegas previously staged 2 F1 races under the Caesars Palace Grand Prix moniker in 1981 and 1982. It played host to the season finale on both occasions, with Williams driver Alan Jones winning in 1981 and Michael Alberto taking the maiden F1 victory for Tyrrell at the 1982 encounter. Meanwhile, Nelson Piquet and Keke Rosberg clinched the title in 81 and 82 respectively. Located in the heart of Las Vegas, the new 6.2-kilometer, 17-turn street circuit winds its way past iconic locations like Caesars Palace, the Bellagio, the Venetian, and of course, the new Sphere. With average speeds expected to match Monza, otherwise known as F1's Temple of Speed, there promises to be plenty of action and overtaking. There's already a huge buzz building around the Las Vegas Grand Prix, fueled by a 2022 launch event that gave drivers and fans a glimpse of what's to come. With the party atmosphere the resort city is famous for, a Saturday night race under the lights and entertainment off track to match its action on it, this will be one of the events to attend in 2023. Before we delve into the excitement unfolding here in Las Vegas, let's take a moment to appreciate the rich history of Formula One and where it started. Born in the 1950s, Formula One has evolved into the pinnacle of motorsport, attracting the most skilled drivers and cutting-edge technology from around the world. Now you might be wondering why it's called Formula One. The formula refers to a set of regulations that teams must adhere to, ensuring a level playing field while encouraging innovation. And the one signifies that it is the premier class of single-seater auto racing. Fast forward to today, and Las Vegas is set to host its very own Formula One Grand Prix, injecting the city with an electrifying dose of speed and glamour. But why Las Vegas? Well, the economic impact is undeniable. The Grand Prix is not just a race, it's a spectacle that draws fans from all corners of the globe. The influx of visitors means increased revenue for local businesses, hotels, and the city itself. Las Vegas, already a global entertainment hub, is poised to elevate its status even further with the addition of Formula One. While Las Vegas celebrates its Formula One debut, changes are happening everywhere. The Russian Grand Prix bids farewell to its Formula One calendar due to the invasion of Ukraine, and this decision underscores the global nature of Formula One as political events impact the locations of these high-stake races. Also, the landscape of Formula One is evolving, with fewer manufacturer teams participating. The high cost involved in developing and maintaining competitive cars have led some manufacturers to reconsider their involvement. However, this shift doesn't diminish the intensity of the competition. If anything, it emphasizes the resilience and adaptability of the sport. As the new engines rev in anticipation of the Las Vegas skyline becoming the backdrop for a new chapter in Formula One history, we invite you to join us on an extraordinary journey. Formula One in Las Vegas. It's not just a race, it's a celebration of speed, skill, and an indomitable spirit that propels these incredible machines. Get ready for a spectacle like no other as Formula One takes over the iconic streets of Las Vegas.